worldwatch is at 10:30 p.m. PST, July 17th. What can I say? The area low pressure off Florida hasn't really become any better organized, but there is definitely a little bit of mall support for formation over the next few days as it heads north toward the Gulf Coast. Has 50% chance of formation. Let's take a. There's the GFS at 56 hours. Kind of got a bar there. Really not that strong, but it's definitely something worth watching. Um, we can show you CMC, which is definitely stronger at 48 hours. It definitely has 1,007 low bar low pressure. Yeah, 54 hours, moving towards the Florida Panhandle, 60 hours. Yeah, potentially a tropical cycle, but we'll have to see. Look at the icon, which also shows 1,008 low pressure. Uh, so there's some decent support. And NAM also shows a tropical storm. I mean, so yeah, I mean, it's something we're going to be watching for development over the next few days. Probably, maybe Bertha, but GFS is definitely weaker at 66. Let's go back to the ECMWF. Very little. GFS, not much. Let's look at the ECAI. Oh, that definitely shows something. I mean, interesting. There's 72 hours. Let's see what the GFS AI says. A little bit more than regular GFS. Um, CMC about ready to make landfall on the Florida Panhandle. Hers 78 hours. 1,004. Definitely. I agree with the 30. I mean, maybe you can go closer to 40, but there is definitely some support for a system in the Northeastern Gulf in the next 3 days. And that's going to have to be watched. As for Elida, what can I say? I think it's going to become better organized. I mean, it was 55 now, it's less advisory, but I mean, let's take a look at the satellite image of this system. Look at that eye forming. Boom. Clearing out. I mean, you could argue it's still on 55, maybe 60. I mean, maybe if we can form a band of river convection in the next 6 to 12 hours, I mean, maybe we can get a quick hurricane before it starts weakening as it moves northward in the colder water. But, yeah, definitely running out of time, as you can see. Um, gotta let it go up the west coast of the United States. I mean, that's pretty damn interesting. Um, clearly going to be weakening, peaking in the next 12 hours. Um, Next, we're going to look at 97E, which, what can I say, is slowly becoming better organized. Back ahead, west northwestward. I think it had a damn good shot. I think chance in the next 7 days are probably 80-90%. I mean, that's extremely favorable for development. And it's slowly increasing convection. You're starting to see a bit of a trough forming in here. GEFS definitely shows a hurricane by 72 to 96 hours, then lower 970 by 144. EPS also agrees with this thinking. I think this could actually, if it stays more west, I think this could take a run at becoming our first major hurricane. Look at these models like D ship and IVCN into the Cat 3 territory. If it stays south, it could very well become the first major hurricane of the Eastern Pacific hurricane season, which is going to be interesting. 90W Expected to head northwestward. It's going to become a typhoon, as you can see. The GFS definitely shows this. Um, mhm. Here it is. Oh yeah, a bit of an MLC trying to send down to the surface. So it's worth watching. That's your world watch for tonight.